Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to change the leveling leg on your dryer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, if we're changing the front leveling leg, we simply need to pull our dryer far enough forward that we can tilt it back. Now, that may involve disconnecting the vent, but you shouldn't have to unplug your dryer. Simply pull it far enough forward, tilt it back and have it support it, and we'll remove the old leg and replace it with the new one. Now, with the dryer pulled away from the wall, we're simply going to tilt it back and support it. Either have somebody hold it, or if you're able to lean it up against the wall. Now, if the old leg is stuck in place, you'll need a pair of channel lock pliers to loosen that up and remove it. Once we get it turned, simply unthread it. Now, if the threads on the old leveling leg are damaged severely, you'll need to tap out that opening to make sure that the new one threads in easily. Make sure to remove any excess lint so that it doesn't bind on the threads. It should turn in easily by hand. Once you have it roughly where the old one was, we'll stand the dryer up. Now, with the dryer firmly on all 4 feet, we're going to push it back into place, and then we'll level it from corner to corner to make sure it's stable. Now, with the dryer pushed back in place, make sure our vent is firmly connected. If you've disconnected the power, simply turn it back on, and your repair is complete.